In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw your cryptocurrency inside of Pionex. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Pionex like you usually would. Then from here, you need to log into your account and go over to the right hand side where it'll say wallet. Then from here, you need to go down to withdraw. Then from here, you can go up here to USDT Tether and choose whichever coin that you want to withdraw. And let's just say I want Bitcoin for this example. Then from here, I can choose whichever network I want to withdraw to. And it's very important that you choose the correct network, or else the cryptocurrency will disappear from both Pionex and your wallet. Then from here, you need to select the address, and I have a bunch of different tutorials on my channel to help you how to find your wallet address. Then from here, you need to add the quantity of how many Bitcoins you want to withdraw. And as you can see here, the minimum is 0.00002 Bitcoin. But you can also choose click all of your existing Bitcoin inside of your Pionex wallet. Then from here, you need to click submit. And then it will take about 10 to 30 minutes, depending on your time, to actually withdraw the fund or your cash or crypto. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!